Hey there, business technology friends. For those of you who are new to our channel, my name is Garrett from ITX Tech Group, which is a leading managed service provider based in southern Wisconsin that simply helps companies with their business technology needs. Now, in today's video, you're going to learn all about what outsourced IT support actually is and why small businesses need it. So, as you probably already know, many of the tasks that you must perform to keep your business operating efficiently as it grows, from bookkeeping to your marketing, honestly may end up being outsourced, and the same applies to IT assistants as well. You'll find that by hiring the help of an outside provider for your IT support needs, that your company can grow much easier, and your outsourced IT provider can do those crucial IT tasks that quickly and efficiently without using up your company resources as well. So, what exactly is outsourced IT support, you might ask? Well, here's the thing. Your usual IT support is transferred to an outside entity when you opt in for outsourced IT help. Instead of doing those duties internally, an outsourced IT support provider will focus solely on meeting your company's IT demands whenever needed. Now, although they will be outside of your organization, an outsourced IT service provider will work with your internal staff to make sure that you have the high level of support that your team requires at literally all times. Overall here, your outsourced IT provider will assist you in making crucial decisions about your network, security, and support that are, tailored to your business requirements. So, let's talk about some of the most common services that you'd get with outsourced IT services. Typically, IT service providers will, provide basic troubleshooting, network management, cybersecurity management, and data backup services, among many other things as well. With basic troubleshooting, your IT provider will make sure that your staff members get the assistance that they need whenever they encounter issues that can be resolved, with straightforward IT troubleshooting. With cybersecurity management, your IT service provider will help to ensure that your, cybersecurity is current at all times and remotely monitor your systems to help, guard against potential intruders or other security related issues as well. Now, when we move on to data backup, your IT service provider pretty much helps to safeguard your company's data and will either help you with data backups or completely do it for you so that you have backups in the event of a potential disaster. So, before I actually go ahead and wrap this video up, because I just wanted to go through the different benefits here, before I go ahead and wrap this video up, I also want to fill you in on a few of the biggest reasons why your business needs to outsource its IT support, okay? The first reason is that it'll free up much needed resources within your business and give you, as a business owner, space to focus on other things, that are more crucial for you to think about. The next reason is that outsourced IT support can help you cut costs because you're simply not having to pay an internal employee a salary plus benefits, plus vacation to manage your IT needs for you. Now, the third reason is that you'll have access to all of your IT services partners' resources, which is pretty beneficial because, quite honestly, you'll literally have all the tools and expertise to keep your systems running smoothly, literally at all times. Now, the next reason is that your outsourced IT team will likely have access to all of the skills that you need. When you solely use an internal IT team, you can only use the talents that those people already possess. But with an outsourced IT partner, you'll have access to the skills of literally multiple people across your IT provider's whole entire company. Now, another reason is that it's easier to scale outsourced IT support. Your company is expanding regularly, and as a result, its requirements are frequently changing. If your company has an internal IT team, you might need to constantly bring on new team members in order to handle basic assistance, uphold security standards, and maintain your overall network here. Now, Another reason is that outsourced IT support can help keep your internal focus on the tasks that you do best. All right, like other companies, yours has a unique niche market in which it excels, right? So you're best at those things, and unless your company's primary focus is on IT support, it's unlikely to be cybersecurity or fundamental network operation. So by outsourcing your IT requirements, you can free up your own team's attention so that it can concentrate on the duties for which it's best qualified for in your niche that you're working in. So another reason is that outsourcing your IT services can literally make it easier for you to build the team that you need to get the job done in your niche. If you try to develop an internal IT team, you can honestly have all kinds of trouble trying to find candidates for open positions, especially if you require personnel with a specialized skill set in areas like network security, for instance. So this leaves us with the last reason, which is outsourcing your IT services will provide you with access to industry-wide best practices. Realistically here, your network will function much, much more efficiently as a result of outsourcing your IT services, since you'll have access to knowledgeable experts who can keep you informed and best practices for everything from security to network maintenance and everything else. So, should you outsource your IT services? Well, a great approach for many business owners to save costs and make it simpler for them to manage their IT requirements is to outsource their IT services. Think about these questions to yourself. Think about these next questions to yourself to simply help you decide if you need to hire outsourced IT services or not. So, 3 questions. Do you need to cut IT costs? Next question. Is your existing team failing to provide the support your organization needs in order to keep things running smoothly? The next question. Are you struggling to keep employees on your existing IT team? If you answered yes to literally any of these questions, you may honestly find that outsourcing your IT services is honestly the best and the right decision for your business, all right? Now, if you guys would like to learn more about outsourced IT services, feel free to connect with us here at ITX Tech Group to simply discuss your IT needs and how we can help you achieve your business technology goals. And don't worry about location or where your business is located, because honestly, we help clients literally all over the United States, so location is not an issue here. Now, if any of you guys have any questions about anything that I mentioned whatsoever in this video, feel free to go ahead and send us a message on LinkedIn, which you can find a link to in the description below this video. But other than that, you guys, that's going to pretty much do it for this video, so I will go ahead and wrap this video up. But before you guys leave, go ahead and make sure to subscribe to our channel so that you never miss a new business technology related video from us in the future. And hey guys, with that said, thanks again for watching.